Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Dr. Ujala. I'm going to tell you guys how to memorize different pharmacology drugs names easily. So as a pharmacist, you're probably familiar with the insider adage that the doctors know about 10 to 20 drugs, nurses know about 50 drugs, and pharmacists know about more than 200. But with all the new drugs, biologics, and vaccines hitting the market, sometimes even we medication specialists could also use a little extra help committing those drugs to memory. So, here are a few tricks of the trade to make memorizing the drug names and information easier. Number 1, make crossword puzzles. So, making crossword puzzles out of the names of the drugs, their indications, their side effects or adverse effects, and their other special drug features can actually really help memorize them. For example, take the new fluoroquinolones, for example. In this picture, you can actually tell all about fluoroquinolones, their route of administration, their type, their adverse effects, and their indications. Next up is using the crossword technique to help distinguish look-alike or sound-alike drugs. इसका एक बहुत ही simple example है Acupril और Acifix. You can remember that Acupril works for blood pressure because it has a P in it, while the Acifix has C and I in it, which creates an S sound जिसको आप it stops acid के तौर पर याद कर सकते हैं. स्क्रीन पे आप कुछ लुक अलाइक और साउंड अलाइक ड्रग्स की लिस्ट देख सकते हैं. Third, very common and easy technique is making acronyms for the drugs. For example, to memorize atypical antipsychotics that causes weight gain, think about something that you would associate with weight gain. So here, the word crock is used, CROCK, which means a clay pot. यानी कि we can associate with having food, making tea or making other drinks. So replacing CK with a Q, here comes your acronym for the atypical antipsychotics. Fourth technique would be making a jingle or a rhyme. For example, sulfadiazine kills those germs and keeps burns clean. इसी तरह से आप अपनी और भी jingles और rhymes बना सकते हैं and बहुत easily drugs को memorize कर सकते हैं. Fifth step would be using alliteration. Alliteration means the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. Here is the example of a chemotherapeutic drug, which is busulfan, is given. Busulfan kills bone marrow. It causes a blue tan, bad cough, and black diarrhea. So this can also help distinguish between the two look-alike, sound-alike drugs, sulfadiazine and sulfasalazine. Since sulfasalazine has many more SS than sulfadiazine, think of slippery stools, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease for that. Last but not the least, practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice as much as you can. This may sound simple, but even if you apply any of the previous tricks, you'll still have to practice them with the appropriate drugs to remember your tricks and to commit them to memory. So never ever forget to practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Good luck. See you soon with another video.